How to save a project in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, after you finish working on your project, you need to save it properly to avoid losing your progress. To do this, go to the top menu and click on File. From the drop-down menu, select Save Project or use the shortcut Ctrl+S. This will save all your changes immediately to the current project file. Next, if you want to save your project with a new name, choose Save Project As from the File menu. This option allows you to rename the project and save it as a separate file in your desired location. It's very useful if you want to create different versions of your work without overwriting the original. Always remember, saving regularly while working prevents accidental loss of data and helps you keep track of your edits. And that's it. Now you know how to save your project in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.